In this video, we will talk about all there is to know about how to roll a hose and the techniques of using hose reels so you can say goodbye to kinks and welcome the smooth, perfect rolled hoses. Let's look at how to complete this task quickly. How to roll up a hose on a manual reel. The hose reels come in different variants. However, the most basic and inexpensive type is the manual hose reel. Manual hose reels are also known as hand crank reels because they come with a manually turned handle when in operation. Determine the orientation of your manual hose reel. Hose reels are available either for right-handed or left-handed users. Of course, it would be more favorable for any user to have the crank positioned onto the side of its dominant hand. Learn how to turn the reel. You start with the tip of the hose on the rightmost or leftmost side of the drum to create the base layer in place and continue to wind the hose to fill in the next layer, but this time your coiling direction should be on the opposite side. Continue with the same process until the entire length of the hose is rolled into the reel. How to roll up a garden hose in an automatic reel. Unlike using a manual hose reel, an automatic one is easy and outstanding. Both the spring and motor-driven reels are so much more convenient and easier to use. Release the locking drive. For spring-driven hose reels, a simple tug in the hose will release the locking drive. The pull relieves the spring tension brought by drawing the hose out of the reel, causing the drum to turn as the hose recoils automatically. Motor-driven hose reel. The same steps followed with the automatic or spring is the same one you follow with this motor, except you will need to power it up instead of tugging it. The power button is used to initiate the operation of the machine. Basic steps to roll up your garden hose. Step 1. Never start rolling up your hose when it's still attached to the water source. This prevents any restrictions from both ends of the hose from trapping air and water. Step 2. Detach the hose's head from your hose to protect the heads from getting damaged. Step 3. After disconnecting all attachments, try to straighten the tubing as smoothly as you can. Untangle the twists and straighten any coils before you start to reel. How do you change a water hose on a retractable reel? Steps. Ensure that you have the correct water hose for the retractable reel. Remove the side panels. Unscrew them to release the hose from the connection. Remove the old water hose. Ensure that the connection is in place before screwing it in firmly. Replace the side panels that you took off at the beginning and add on the new hose fittings. How do you make a hose reel out of a tire rim? Decide which structure you plan on placing your hose reel and thereafter attach the 3-inch flange, making marks to indicate where the screws will go. Then, using the power drill, it's time to drill the holes that will fit the 3/8-inch bolts. You can now attach the flange to the mounting surface. Screw the 3-inch galvanized pipe into the previously attached flange on one end and use a pipe wrench to tighten it. Place the tire rim onto the galvanized pipe. Attach the flange that is 3 inches to the end of the pipe, which will keep the tire rim in place. How much are hose reels? The prices for each one vary, based on the brand, durability, build, and several other factors. You can opt for the common powder-coated metal reels or carts that are quite fancy and offer convenient use. Therefore, you can buy a garden hose reel for $30 or you can opt for one that sells for hundreds of dollars. Conclusion. There you have it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You have all the information about how to roll up a hose on a reel, whether a manual or automatic one. You don't need to be a scientist to operate any of these devices. What are you waiting for? Roll it up. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.